This 2020 Coachmen Viking Ultra-Lite 24 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, microwave, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Coachmen Viking Ultra-Lite 24 RBS is 5,567 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.